It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 payment guide. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to pay suppliers easily on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using any of e-commerce apps or websites from China, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 payment method. And in today's video, I'll show you how to easily pay your supplier on 1688. So let's dive in. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from the actual supplier you want to pay to. So there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on 1688. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here. Click on here and type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for blender, so I'm going to click on here now. Then I will simply click on here again and type in blender. Then you can search. In a few seconds, you're going to see a similar result as far as blender as the keyword is concerned. Another way by which you can use the search for product is to use this particular camera icon right here. Click on this camera icon, upload the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. And then once you are able to search for the right supplier, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of step-by-step video on how you can add a product to cart. After you have successfully added a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to proceed to the cart and click on here to proceed to your cart. And you're going to have all the products in your cart right there. And I'm paying for this and I'm paying for this. What we want to do now is to click on here to select the product. Click on here and select the second product. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you can scroll down and check on the detail about the order before you proceed to payment. And also make sure your address, delivery address right here is properly correct. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, I'm going to enter my payment password. As simple as that. Payment done successful. So I was able to pay to 2 different suppliers using my Alipay right here. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this bumper. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right there. The first one and the second one is that simple. So this is one of the best ways to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial on how to import from China using 1688, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or to pay your Chinese supplier on either 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.